are so grateful for this connection. In order for us to carry out our mission by serving the families in need while seeking medical care in the Pittsburgh and Morgantown areas, this campaign and the community support is tremendous to us, allowing us to carry out our efforts each and every day. You know, when families stay at RMHC, they are steps away from their child. And that is a tremendous aspect to what we do each and every day. Without the community, we would not be able to provide the families with a warm meal, daily essentials, and a safe environment. I can't imagine our environment without the community support. We have a small team at RMHC. They're mighty, but small. And so it takes the community to support us in addition to the team members on site. The success for our nonprofit is truly to accomplish our goals through our mission statement. And that is to provide a place that is comforting. You know, when I think about the medical support that our community has, we are truly blessed. And what the charity faces, or I guess focuses on is a better way of saying it, is the family. You know, the child that is seeking medical care is taken care of because of that tertiary care within our community. And so the charity provides that extra support so the families can focus on the well-being of their child. And without the community support, it would be more difficult, to say the least. And so we are truly grateful for all the various community organizations, and specifically Howard Hanna, the insurance division, has made a tremendous impact on our day-to-day operations. And for that, we are very thankful.
Well, we strive to be intentional with our efforts at all times and always conscious of the needs of others, trying to put others' needs before ourselves in our community, in our workplace. We also hope by volunteering we're able to share the beauty of kindness and grace to one another and help others to understand what that can do for someone. We hope we can help by lessening some of one of the families or all of the families' burdens that they're experiencing during their time of needs or time in the house. And we want others really to experience, again, the same joy that we do and ultimately spread awareness of the charity far and wide.